Hello guys, in this video I will give you the pre-launch details of Soyuz MS-17, the crewed mission. Come, let's get started. Liftoff 11:45 Kazakhstan timing 14th October. These timings may change based on the launch conditions. Mission name Soyuz MS-17, the crewed flight to International Space Station. The crew members are as follows. Sergey Ryzhikov is the commander of flight MS-17 and will take over from Chris Cassidy as commander of International Space Station. This is his second flight. His previous flight was also to the International Space Station. Sergey Kud-Sverchkov. He is Flight Engineer 1 on this flight. This is his first flight into space. Kate Rubins. She is the Flight Engineer 2 on this flight. This is our second space flight to International Space Station. Launch provider is Roscosmos, that is, the rocket company launching this rocket is Roscosmos. Customer is Roscosmos and NASA, that is, the company paying for this launch is Roscosmos and NASA. Rocket used for this launch is Soyuz 2.1A. Launch location is Site 31/6 Baikonur Cosmodrome, Kazakhstan. Satellites are going to International Space Station at 410 km orbit at 51.6 degree inclination. The first stage of the rocket, Soyuz 2.1A, will crash into the steppes of Kazakhstan. The fairings used in this rocket are new and they are not attempting to recover these fairings. This launch will be the 107th flight of Soyuz 2 rocket, 11th mission of Roscosmos in 2020, final NASA paid seat on Soyuz spacecraft. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe and click